Make a great choice today with the 2021 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, power liftgate, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.